If you want to register on a website but need to provide an email address to receive a verification code, or if you want to purchase a product that is on sale but they are asking for your email address to access the discount, and you don't want to share your primary email address and become a target for spam, ads and promotions, a temporary email address can be the solution. As the name suggests, a temporary email address is one that ceases to exist after a certain period or when you leave the website that provides this service. There are several different services that offer temporary email, and in this video we will introduce 3 such services. So choose the one that best fits your needs. 10-minute mail is a temporary email service that automatically generates a temporary email address when you visit its page. You can find the link to the service in the video description. The generated email address will be displayed in the upper left corner of the screen. To copy the email address, simply click on the paper icon next to it. As the name of the service suggests, this email address will be active for only 10 minutes. After that time expires, the address, along with all received emails, will be deleted. When you visit the website and the address is created, a timer will start counting down, which you can track below the email address. When you receive an email, a number 1 or another number will appear next to the envelope icon instead of a 0, indicating how many emails you have received. You can view the content of the email by scrolling down the page where you will see your email. Click on Email to open it, retrieve the necessary information, and then you can leave the website. Your temporary email address will be deleted. If you need more time and haven't received the desired email within 10 minutes, you can extend the validity of temporary email address for additional 10 minutes by clicking on 10 more minutes button. When you do this, the timer will reset and you will have additional 10 minutes. Temporary mail. When you visit the website of this temporary email service, an email address will be automatically generated. You can change this address by clicking on Change button. In the username field, enter your desired email name. Additionally, you can select a different domain by clicking the drop-down menu in the domain field and choosing the one that suits you best. Click on Save Address to confirm. The emails you receive will be clearly visible in the section labeled Inbox. When you receive an email, simply click on it to view the content. This service allows you to save the temporary email address if you want to use it multiple times. To do this, click Save button, then copy the generated link if you want to use the email on your PC, or save the QR code for mobile use. If you choose to save your temporary email address, you can install an extension that will notify you every time you receive an email. The extension is available for all major web browsers, and the download links will be in the video description. Some websites impose restrictions on the email address that can be used, often requiring that it be a Gmail address, which is the most popular email service. If you need a temporary Gmail address, you can use Email Nator. When you visit the site, you will see an automatically generated email address. If that address works for you, all you need to do is click the Go button to receive mail. You can also generate a new address by clicking Generate New. If you want to define your own email address, you can do so by clicking Click here for custom email. When you do this, a new field will appear where you can enter your desired email address, including the domain. For example, @gmail.com. After that, simply click Go button. If the entered email address is currently in use or has already been used by someone else, you will receive the message "Email is currently not available. Please try a different email." If you try to define the email address yourself, you may frequently receive this message, so if you want to save time, it is the best to use the Gmail address that the site automatically generated. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.